What's up? Well, I decided to maybe vlog a day in the life of Joseph. Just bored with life. All I do is work out and ride. I know that sounds exciting, but in reality, it really isn't all that exciting. It gets pretty boring and pretty repetitive, especially when you go to a place to ride that just wants to take the soul out of your body. But it is, I don't know what day it is, July 10th, around 11:30. Heading out to ride at the one and only Little Mexico in Lake Placid. It's going to be a grand of a time, and what I mean by that is it's not going to be a grand of a time. It's going to suck ass. On the way to the gas station, got to fill up the bike, got to get a few drinks, fill up the truck, and we'll be on our way. See you in a second. Get the good stuff. Oh, out of focus. At the gas stations, got some gas. Turn me up. Got some old people fighting over there. Don't know how to turn the gas pump on. All right, so fueled up, got some drinks. Now, hour or so drive to the ride spot. So I'll catch up with you guys in a second. I'm gonna break the speed limit and listen to some trap music, so BRB. All right, 10-15 minutes into this drive already, and I'm bored. So I guess I'll just explain what I've been up to the past, I don't know, 9 or 10 months. So well, I wouldn't say all, no one really knows who I am, but most of the people that I keep in touch with and fellow racers that race four-wheelers know that I crashed in October of last year at a race and practice crash. Collided with another rider. I know it crashed in practice. I suck. Yeah, you don't gotta tell me twice. Anyway, ended up destroying my right wrist. Blew out all the ligaments and tendons. Dislocated the wrist from the arm completely. Had a few broken bones. I pretty much got my whole right wrist reconstructed. Was out for a very long time. I didn't touch a four-wheeler for I think 6 or 7 months. Tried to stay in shape as best I could. It was really awkward going to the gym and doing everything one-handed. I looked kind of like a buffoon, but you know, it is what it is. The ambition is strong, I guess, and I don't like getting fat. I like staying at least in decent shape all year round. So I've just been trying to catch back up. Started this new training program. Just trying to ride a bit before the season starts. Try to play catch up more than anything. For those who don't know, I race a local hare scramble series, Florida Trail Riders, in the AA class, which is like our pro expert state series class, and then the GNCC. When I can, I race XC2 Pro-Am. Half-ass rider. Don't flatter me. I won't disclose obviously my job, but many of you know what I do. It's very hard to race based off my schedule and income, so I kind of make it work, do what I can. I enjoy the sport a lot. I enjoy the people. I enjoy the friends. I enjoy the aspect of training and riding and the preparation and blah 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 blah. All that PC BS that you would hear someone say. Oh, I love this sport. It's really, when you get to a certain degree and you want to go really fast, and you want to go really fast for a long time and race with all these really really fast guys, it gets really tough, and it gets, like I said, it gets pretty difficult. Oh my goodness, came in way too fast. you can't cut corners once you get to a certain degree, and you really want to race against the top guys, whether it's in your state series, the national series. You know, you got to diet, you got to train every day, you got to make sure you get seat time, you got to make sure you're on time of bike maintenance, you got to make sure your sponsors are in line to help you out with your programming, if, you know, obviously you don't come from a big source of money. So it's very exhausting, it's very tiring, but I wouldn't trade it for anything. It's actually helped me with my work life and personal life, you know, just the mental discipline and staying in shape and stuff like that really helps you out in the long run. And I don't think I'll ever fade too far away from the ATV racing stuff, but I'm going into my 30s soon, 28, so I don't have much prime time left in me, as some people would say. So I'm just going to try to make this year the best, do what I can, see what happens, and go from there. So yeah, I think we've only gone 4.5 minutes, and I feel like I've been talking for an hour. This vlogging stuff is not my style. I don't usually talk to a camera. I usually just talk to myself like a psychopath, you know, but you know, it is what it is. So we'll get used to it. I don't know if I'm going to make any more videos. I don't know if this is going to be even published. This might be just like a friend group type thing, because I've been asked to do one just simply based off my personality. The people who know me, I'm a fucking idiot. So I guess people want to see that in a vlog for whatever reason. Anyway, we got about 45 minutes left, so I'll catch up with you guys once we actually get there. All right, we made it to the spot. I can't turn this camera around, but there's a Steed, little practice bike, stock motor, stock shocks, a lot of stock stuff, but she gets the job done. You don't need much. I'm actually going to be pulling out the GoPro today. I have not used the GoPro in a long time, probably 4 or 5 years. Unfortunately, I didn't have any extra GoPro mounts, so I got to use this old fly helmet from way back when. But good thing there's no one out here to look at me, because it's kind of ugly. It's going to start a Moto, start the GoPro footage, get a couple of shots of me riding, and then we'll take a break after this first Moto, and I'll see you guys back in a minute.
what this little glare is on my camera. I think it's a crack on my screen protector. Whatever. Just got done with the Moto. As always, super brutal, super rough, super long. I put on the GoPro, and probably 5 minutes in, a tree branch whacked it and took it out of angle. So I'll try to do some more riding and maybe tighten that mount up there so it doesn't move, or just duck under the tree branches. But I'm just sitting here taking a rest, drinking some electrolyte stuff in between motos. Starting to rain here, overcast, which is kind of nice because usually it's 98 degrees over here in the middle of the state with no ocean breeze, which is usually where I live. Yeah, kind of here just chilling by myself. Typical weekday. Just out here grinding. So I'm gonna try to, like I said, fix the GoPro, hopefully get some better footage, finish up some riding, and then I will be wrapping it up. So BRB. On a side note, I have a few sponsors, but I know I'd definitely like to shout out is get out of here. Get anyone out there. Is the Mobius wrist braces. Man, I really don't think I could ride to my potential if it wasn't for those guys and that company and that brace. I mean, I have really bad mobility in my right wrist now, which is my dominant hand, which even sucks even more. So the fact that I can just slap that thing on and really rip the way I would like to is awesome. So people say they're kind of expensive. Well, it's for a reason. They last, they work. You don't notice them. It's like they're hardly there. They don't cause arm pump. They don't restrict your movement. You know, don't believe someone's ill-minded opinion about them if they don't have a. Sorry, I drew a blank there. Don't believe people, you know, ill-minded comments, you know, for people who have lack or inexperience of it, or they probably either put it on wrong, or it's too loose, or it's too tight. You know, it's really not that complicated. I've seen some comments regarding those issues. I'm dumb as hell, and I can figure it out, and I put it on comfortably without even thinking, and, you know, off I go. So shout out Mobius. You guys are the bomb.com. I'm probably gonna edit some of this GoPro footage out, so you don't have to watch the whole freaking lap. But yeah, this helmet, I can't remember if it's mine or if it was my dad's, but it's way too big and it's drooping, causing my goggles to like go in my eyes. That sounds stupid, but like the top of my goggles are drooping down into the top of my eyes, so I keep having to push the helmet. So you got to bear with me if it's not the best footage. I got the angle set back up, so I'll try to duck as much as I can, or dodge the trees, one of the two. by my paleness and flushed face, those last few minutes of riding really took the soul out of me, you know what I'm saying? Well, that wrapped up the day. I'm on my way home. Left literally 5 minutes ago, so I'm gonna get home, eat some good food. I wish I could eat pizza or Chick-fil-A. That sounds banging, but you know, that's not the type of food that's gonna get you faster, unfortunately. After I get food, I'm just gonna unload the bike, maybe wash it, maybe not, probably not. I'm pretty fucking tired, and I got work tomorrow at 5 in the morning. So the GoPro footage for the second motor or whatever was much better. A few things happened, like I got some stupid ass sticks and stuff stuck in my arms and shit, so I'm gonna edit both laps just so you don't have to watch 30 minutes of me dying and me riding slow as fuck as usual. But yeah, I don't know if this is gonna end the video. Probably I might go over some stuff when I get home, but other than that, I mean, there's not too much to talk about, so I'm not gonna make this video too long. 15-20 minutes is my goal, maybe max. So I don't know if this is gonna happen again. Like I said, I don't even know if this is gonna be published, but September 14th is the goal we're kicking for. That's the first race of the Florida Trail Rider season. It'll be almost a full year at that point since I've raced, so it'll be very interesting. It's been a long road. It's been a hard road. Pretty nervous, pretty anxious, pretty excited. Just happy to be at the track, Just gonna be happy to be at the races, you know, give it one last hurrah, maybe. So yeah, so I don't know if you guys will like this. I don't know if you will. Let me know. I'll do more. If you do, I guess. I don't know. Depends how much time I have. Other than that, TTYL. Deuces.